Hi everyone, today I would like to show you how to use gradient tool in Photoshop. So that one is really nice and useful tool. So share my screen first. Okay, now you can see a blank new data in Photoshop. So as you can see here, here's a gradient tool. Just gradient tool, create a gradual blend between colors. It says, just simply you can make fantastic effect in the Photoshop. Just first time, just click gradient tool. Now it's being selected. And from here, you can see little diagram, little window. It shows the gradient tool, just black and white. And then click that one. So you can see some bunch of gradient tools like a blue and a purple. And just like a basic one, I'm going to show you just here, just black to white. Okay, just click. It's now being selected. Just normally, the left side is starting point, and the right side is the finishing point. Like a start and a finish. When you put a cursor on the data, it's like document, and then click and hold and go beyond the other side, and just black to white. It's same as that one. The start, the end, start black, at the end white. And when you click, so near the edge of the document, and then here, this colors like a black and white. The transition earlier is going to change. Okay, so when you make a long transition line, it's a gentle transition, as you can see here, but just click on a short line, it's a rapid transition layer. Just basic idea is just like in a starting point and ending point. This area in between is a transition area to color. As on this occasion, just black to white. Okay, and then when you make something really precise transition area, you can hold. You can press the shift and the hold. It makes line pretty straight. It's a nice and precise, gentle transition. Okay, just hold, press and hold the shift key. Let's go straight. Okay, it's kind of like basic, the usage of gradient tool. Okay, just go different document. You can see here now is it's different one. So you can see now it's Auckland. And we click on the castle here, the mask, and just I want to see you this original document. And I want to blend this background to my image quite smoothly. So as you can see, this distinct edge here, I want to make this blur to blending really smoothly in between two images. Okay, and I've already made a mask and a gradient tool on it. This now is enable a mask, and then you can see really nice gentle transition to blend the color to the background color. Okay, I'm just follow this one, just check it out, this one, layer mask. And now you can see here, original photo and the background underneath is like, see? So the first of all, you need to apply layer mask on the original photo, okay? You can make a layer mask from the bottom here, just click and new layer mask next to your original folder, my original folder, and just click, and now it's being selected. As you can see here, just each corner, just like a boundary. Just click here, and then I've already mentioned gradient tool, and then click, and the black to white. Okay, then from just a little above the bottom edge of the original folder, just click and the holding. And on this occasion, I would like to make a gentle transition. It means I need to make the transition line long, this one. And as you can see here, this edge gonna be really blur. And two images, the original image and the background, are being merged quite smoothly. Okay, and then also you can change its transition area. It's like this and like this. And as I mentioned before, when you make this transition line shorter, like a short, the transition is really rapid. As you can see, the difference between this long line and short line, transition area has been changed. Yep, and I'm gonna show you a different technique. So for example, if you use like text on your image or like a designer poster, so you can make something transition color in between two. For example, the first of all, just right click and then disable layer mask. This is original text, just Auckland, blue Auckland. Okay, and I'm gonna put the mask on here. Just delete layer first. Okay, also delete layer. You don't need to delete layer, but just delete layer. There's a two text. Okay, the front one is Auckland in blue, and the second one underneath and Auckland in red. And there's two different texts and two different colors. And the top layer just being clicked. And from the bottom of the layer, make new layer. And you need to grab gradient tool here and just click. Okay. And just from just a little above the bottom of Auckland, okay. And on this occasion, I really make precise transition. Press shift and holding and go above. It's like this. And just underneath red Auckland that comes up. Okay, top one can be really smooth transition. And the bottom, towards the bottom, that disappeared. It means this background, red Auckland comes up. And both are blending quite smoothly. And then you can make nice transition. It's like an Auckland blue and the red nice transition. This is a kind of like one of the techniques you can use in a text using gradient tool here. Okay, just get back to the original point. Okay, just right click and disable layer mask. So when you make a really smooth transition in between two images, you can use gradient tools like this. Is that okay? Thank you very much. Your turn. Okay, bye for now.